Hello, what is your name?
Hello, I'm Gina Centeno.
How old are you?
I'm 36 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have kids?
Have none.
How many kids do you have?
I have three.
How old are they?
The first one is 15, second one is 13, and the third one is 12.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working 3 years and 10 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Taiwan, ma'am.
How many years?
6 years, ma'am.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
Previous is 3 years and 10 months.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
They are living in Chunwan, New Territory.
Okay, how many square feet of your employer's house?
Around 3,500.
Okay, so how many family members there?
There are 7 now.
How many children?
Have 2.
Okay, how old are they?
The first one is 7. The second one is 2 years old.
Okay. So would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Usually I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning now. Prepare the breakfast for the 2 kids and then the whole family. But actually I prioritize the
Kids.
the kids because
Okay.
they go to the school 7:30. So I need to wake up them and before 7, maybe 15 minutes before 7 to change their clothes, do their sanitary routine, and then to feed to do their breakfast now.
Okay, so how about marketing? Do you go market?
Yeah, I do, ma'am.
Okay, how about dinner? What time you prepare?
Usually I prepare 5 o'clock in the afternoon
And
because I
then?
need to let them sleep early.
Okay, so what time they eat?
They usually eat 6 or around 6:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock, they must be in the bed.
Okay.
I bring the kids, the second one, I usually bring in bed. I
Okay.
let him to sleep, and then afterward, I continue to do what I have finished.
Okay, thank you so much.